Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can add a playlist to another playlist on Spotify. So here I've already opened the Spotify apps, and if you want to merge a certain playlist to another one, here's how to do that. So first, you need to go to your library at the bottom. Okay, so here are the list of my playlists. Let's say that I want to add the my favorite playlist here into the new playlist. So what you need to do is just click on the playlist that you want to add and click on the three dots icon, add the playlist in here, and there will be the options to add to other playlists. So just click on this, and here you can add into an existing playlist, or you can also create a new playlist like this. So I'm going to add to the new here, and after that the playlist has been added to the playlist that I chose. Okay, this is the result. Okay, the songs will be added in here. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.